golf cart back together, I guess.
So like the leaf springs, brakes, the entire rear axle that's laying on the floor right here.
All right, jammers, we're back.
All right, there's stuff all over the place.
Yeah, kind of been a chaotic couple weeks.
That's right.
So we finished Jason's leaf springs. So
It's a lot of crossing out.
there's a lot done. I mean, we did the leaves, we did the paint, the dash, which turned out amazing. Highly recommend it. Definitely prepping it correctly, then painting it's the key. We did the throttle pedal adapter thing. We did the speed magnet, which we made our little puller thing that we used. The battery light thing, we ended up having to put it back together because it was tripping the system. Loud horn, we got that silent. Voltage meter, we got that working.
Yeah.
Wasn't there something else we did though?
The part about you
Breaking the aluminum frame with the jammer hammer.
So there was a little piece in there where Ryan got a little bit excited.
Yeah.
The jammer hammer.
I've never done that before in my life.
And destroyed the back of my golf cart, and we had to hire a welder to come in and
Clint, weldga.com. You need to check him out.
Yeah, he's great. And
Awesome guy.
Had to get it re-welded.
Yeah.
So we put the leaf springs back on. But then, when we got it all back on,
Oh gosh, I forgot this.
right? We got it all put back together. What happened?
It was like 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night. We put it all back together. He goes to hit the button, and the cart doesn't move. And I'm thinking, he's playing with me.
It jerks backwards.
Yeah.
You hit in reverse, it jerks, it stops. You put it in forward, it jerks backwards, and it stops. Not a good thing.
No. So then we take everything we did off. We try to figure it out.
Undid the throttle pedal.
We're about to pull the speed magnet off.
Undid
the battery light.
What else did we do? It's just like crazy. Everything we did. We started going back to
I checked all because when we had the welder come out, I actually pulled a cell out and I wanted to check to make sure I wired it back to correctly. We did everything, but what we forgot is
let me just. Can I interject one?
Yeah.
I didn't seem on the outside.
Yeah, you were really reserved.
On the inside, I was freaking out because I thought we were
ruining
something up.
Yeah, I literally thought I smoked his motor.
Now, see, this is where Ryan and I are different.
Right.
What I was feeling on the inside was what Ryan was showing on the outside.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys have noticed, a tiny bit of motive.
Yeah, so anyway.
So I was pretty stressed out, and to the point where I actually was going to give Jason my golf cart and just take his broken one.
I know he offered a couple times, which is absolutely ridiculous. But
because I felt it was in my garage, I broke it, he should take my golf cart. So I started doing a little bit of researching, and I remembered when we dropped the rear leaf springs, the motor and the rear end kind of slammed forward, and I know those wires aren't very long. So I took the back panel off.
Yeah, the wires that attach the motor to
the controller. There's a controller unit on all golf carts, and there's wires that come off the controller that go to the motor. And I looked and I said, wait, this wire's not connected. And I looked and there was another one not connected.
Yeah.
And so we put it on there, put all that together.
It totally worked. It was amazing. But it was funny, there were other wires that were actually still connected. So there was like a couple in the middle.
Yeah.
It was weird.
Yeah, 2 that came off.
So then we went back through our list.
And we put it all back.
And we put everything back.
Yeah, that really happened. Yeah, we're kind of special.
So, anyway. But yeah, we're done. So Big Blue is pretty much finished. We're good to go.
Done.
I don't even know what that says.
It's Arabic.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do we got on...
So Blackie, about that. Blackie decided to smoke his motor the other day, like a cigarette.
What actually happened?
I got it up to 35 miles an hour. Pretty fast.
Yeah, so it wasn't really Blackie's fault, was it?
I mean, it technically is. I have no control over my foot pedal. I like to go fast.
So you remember the magnet we put on the motor?
Magnet. It's a regen magnet. So it's supposed to slow your... It's a what's the word I'm looking for?
A limiter.
Limiter, what do they call those? Restrictor?
Yeah. It's supposed to
governor!
It's supposed to keep you from going too fast.
Yeah.
So we changed that out to where that wasn't a thing anymore.
No.
Ryan decided to
find the biggest hill.
Yes.
I could find in Peachtree City. So bad. And
How fast were you going?
well, when I looked down, I was hitting 32, 33, and it was still climbing, and that's when the motor went, and I could smell smoke.
So yeah, that was not a good moment.
Well, let me show you what's left.
Yeah. So there it is. So
That's the internals.
Ryan sends me pictures of this little project, and the first question was, will it
go back together?
Go back together.
He clearly hasn't worked with me long enough to know anything I took apart doesn't go
Well,
back
when I
together.
saw it all in pieces on the floor in the picture,
Yeah.
and a sawzall next to it, and giant chisels, I knew pretty quickly that it probably wasn't
And
going to.
the jammer hammer.
And the jam.
Anywhere the jammer hammer goes, you should know.
Yeah. So
These parts don't go.
I wasn't here during this whole thing, otherwise, the voice of reason may have possibly.
I think it would have worked out better if Jason would have been here. There would have been a lot less frustration and a lot less aggression.
Yeah.
But, so to say that,
So we've added a few things to the list. What we got now?
so
Let me rephrase that. What do you have to do? Oh, what are you doing?
sorry. Remove motor.
Yeah, that's been done.
Done. I just wanted to put it on there so I can cross something out.
Sounds interesting.
Replace motor.
Alright.
And you guys, I know you want to see it. Got it from Revolution Golf Carts here in Georgia. Here's the new baby. She's a pretty one. And Blackie is now going to be matching too, because it'll be a red motor and a black golf cart, so it matches our logo.
It's perfect.
Perfect.
That's the only reason you bought that, right?
Right, yeah. It has nothing to do with the fact that I smoked.
And of course, this motor goes faster than the original.
That's important.
Yeah. Alright, so replace motor, that's getting ready to go in.
Yep.
Then what? I guess all these pieces on the floor in the garage have to go back together.
Put the golf cart back together, I guess.
So like the leaf springs, brakes, the entire rear axle that's laying on the floor right here.
Yeah, total. So the crazy part is the old motor was stuck on the spline coming off the rear transmission, the transaxle.
Yeah.
So I had to take the whole assembly, which probably weighs, I want to say, somewhere in the neighborhood of 90 pounds plus with the motor on
You're
it.
an animal.
I had to pick it up like this and drop it on the ground so that gravity, our friend Isaac Newton guy over there, found out about, would pull the internals of the motor off the drive shaft.
Yeah.
Spindle or whatever it's called. So it was an experience.
Did asking for help ever enter your brain?
You want to help? Put it back together?
We probably should.
Yeah.
I'd probably help you.
Yeah, that would be great.
We'll see how I feel tonight.
All right, cool.
What else you got? Anything else? I think that's it, right?
Oh no, our new plug.
Oh yeah.
I got a new plug toy. Here she is. Pretty cool. Right now on my cart, I don't have anywhere to plug in for power. So I got this off of the old river in the South America name place.
Did you buy it through our affiliate link?
I can't keep track of all this stuff. I'm barely keeping it together here, folks.
That's cool. I like that.
So yeah, so
What's this?
So this powers it all on. So if you don't want their power going to it, it shuts it off. This reads your voltage at all times.
Yeah.
This is your regular 12-volt adapter, and then this is 2 USB ports.
Nice.
So, and this will go right where the warning label is. It tells about not going fast and capable of flipping. We'll remove that warning label.
Perfect spot for it.
And we'll install this.
So this turns on this whole unit.
Yes.
So you can shut these USBs off.
Right. And they're all controlled by one. So power comes into this switch.
Yeah.
And then they're all linked together.
Yeah, that's cool.
And then I have a power adapter on my cart that takes 48 volts and brings it down to 12 and is fusible linked. So I won't have to put a fuse on this.
Nice.
So safety-wise, it's actually a really good setup.
Yeah, when are you going to put your underglow on?
Woo! Some hydraulics, maybe?
Might as well. I mean, let's just make this the most expensive 2005 club car.
2007. Okay? Listen. It's going to be fast.
All right. Oh, cool. Anything else? That's it, right?
I haven't broken anything yet. I may break something putting something back together, so this list may get longer before it gets shorter.
I would really like to see the guy's face that you bought this golf cart from.
When he sees what it's like right now?
Yeah, like in pieces all over the floor. He might have...
I think we need to... I think the people...
You usually have buyer's remorse. He may have seller's remorse.
I think it's going to sort
All right, awesome.
You guys need to see what's happening on the floor. I think we need to show them.
We'll put some pictures. Actually, we probably already put some pictures up there, but...
Yeah.
Cool. All right, well, we'll talk to you soon.
All right. See you guys.